Hi, good evening everyone. This is Chantal Yuri, your guide and mentor in MMM Global. Today I will going to make a quick video tutorial how we can generate our old wallet. This is my own blockchain wallet. The reason why I made this video just to guide one of my members who happened his account was being hacked few days ago, and as required by the CRO, he need to submit screenshots of his Bitcoin wallet address. But since some settings changes in blockchain, it automatically generate every now and then new wallet as you open your own blockchain wallet, because it is for the reason that they need to auto-generate new wallet for the security of the users in blockchain. So now guys, we are going to show you how we can check out our old blockchain wallet for us to comply the requirements of the CRO to send the screenshots of the Bitcoin wallet address he used in his account. So here it is. This is the main dashboard in blockchain. So you can see all the transactions received, sent, and the remaining balance. So for the quick response, we need to click settings and then click addresses so that you can find your Bitcoin wallet address. So this is the Bitcoin wallet address, my default account, and the other one is the account of I'm using with, and this is the import wallet address coming from my old blockchain. So you can see it here. These are the blockchain wallet that I'm using. I imported it from my old blockchain. So we are looking forward, or we are looking now the old blockchain wallet that I am mentioning. So all you have to do, guys, just click manage. And this is the new addresses that automatically generate that will going to be used in the near future if you have another transactions. But as I said, we are going to locate the old wallet address for us to comply the requirements of CRO. So this is use address. Click this use address. At the end button, you can see the words show. So click this one, and then there will be a message pop up on your screen. So just click OK. And then scroll down, you can see all the blockchain wallet that you use. You're being used already, and all you have to do is to search it which one is the blockchain wallet you use in your MMM. So something like this. In my case, I use this one. So I level it out, MMM Myanmar. So automatically, I will going to take screenshot something like this. I use a screenshot, light shot, something like this. And then I might going to level this one and then upload it something here. Or maybe you can save it. You can save the files in one of your computer location. So as simple as that, guys. I hope this video tutorial that I made today will going to lighten you up, or will going to guide you how to generate or find your old wallet use in your MMM account to comply the requirements. So once again, this is Chantal Yuri, your guide and mentor in MMM Global. Together we change the world.